Bit of a cold, huh?
I'm a bit out of a cold and I've just did 60 miles on top of the mountain. So let's see what we have today. I don't remember what we cooked today. Well, let's see. We just open. How do you call this one? The beer.
That one? You mean the anti-bear bag?
The anti-bear bag.
Yeah.
Ursek.
An Ursek, yep.
So let's see what's in the Ursek for today.
So no bear can get in there.
With all kinds of things. Oh,
well, that's for tomorrow, I guess.
that's lunch.
Oh, well, you got it.
I got something here.
What do you have in there?
Ah, nice.
What do you have there?
In Dutch we call it vulkaanrijst.
Vulkaanrijst.
So in English that will be volcano rice. I think so.
Yep, something like that, yep.
So when you start cooking, you have to make sure that everything is ready. So first you have to have the beautiful view and the nice weather, and you sit comfortably. You have sterilized water. Okay, you have everything set here to put in, so you don't need to do anything, everything is surrounded. So,
Okay.
and then you have to calculate how much water you need. So you need water for the soup, this is cup of soup. And you need water for the rice. This is multi-grain rice, look how beautiful it is.
Yeah.
And then you need, well, this is difficult for the US, but in our country, Holland, you have peanut sauce. Like, you know, when you can grill those meat and then peanut sauce on it. So maybe you have something in the US, if not.
Yeah, it's similar like peanut butter, but then a little bit different
Yeah,
with some
you could
herbs in
also,
it.
yeah, you could also use your peanut butter, which you already have for lunch, and just dilute it a bit.
Okay.
And then you have the chopped hazelnuts, and then you have, let's see,
Dates, I think.
dates.
Oh yeah, nice dates.
So we still need to cut these, but we can do that in the cooking time. We need water for the soup and for the rice, so that's at least a liter. This is not a liter, this is less. So we just put,
And that's sterilized water.
yeah, it's sterilized water already. Okay. So this is about a liter. In the meantime, we prepare everything for when the water is ready. So we put the soup in here. So these are pitted dates. That means that they are easy to cut. And it also saves you the weight of the pits.
Weight of the pits, okay.
You have to wait until it's ready.
Okay. Nice.
Okay, cooking.
Well, that's the first part of the volcano then.
It's already, okay, that goes into the soup. Hoppa. Okay. Just, ow. Just, hoppa. Nope.
That's not just rice, is it?
It's a multi-grain rice with, I don't know.
Oat or something in there too.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, when it cooks, we can turn it off. Or you can let it boil for a short time, but we have the pot cozy, so we just put it in here. Ta-da!
So yeah, that saves energy.
Yeah. So in the meantime we prepare the peanut sauce. Or you take your peanut butter jar and just dilute it a bit with water. But this one also need to have some water, so I do that in here. Oh, 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 oh.
This is really CookieMonster style.
No. Sometimes. Okay.
It's peanuts with herbs and stuff.
Yeah,
It's from Indonesia, I think.
it's Indonesian peanut sauce. So, and then officially there should be curry powder, but yeah, since I don't have all the how do you call that, herbs and
Spices.
spices with me, I only have the choice of Mexican mix or apple cinnamon.
No, well, that's not the one.
No, so this is not. I will put some of this in the meal.
Okay. So we get a Mexican flavor.
A bit Mexican. It has to be a bit volcanish, a bit hot.
A bit hot. Okay.
So it has to be a bit thickish.
Thick.
Thick. Okay, thick. Because there's a lot of water in there. And otherwise we get volcano rice soup. Oh.
Whoa.
Okay.
Oh, you're really CookieMonster, are you?
I'm a bit tired, that's all. I'm CookieMonster, yeah. Oh. Okay. Let's take a look if they are good. The best way to know if they're good is just take a bite. Yeah.
It's good?
Yeah, looks good. So, we put this
So,
one in.
Are we going to have soup tonight, or are we going to...
It's a bit... Maybe we should take some water off. Yeah, let's do that.
Take out some water?
Yeah.
Okay.
A bit too much. Don't do that near your tent, and don't do that near the river. Ow. Ow, ow, ow.
Well, you're a CookieMonster. You can handle it.
Oh, only the water. We don't want to give food to the bears.
Nope.
This one about oh. Oh. Where is it? Oh. Banana. Chopped hazelnuts. So that's easy, we don't need to chop them. Looks a bit thin.
Yep.
And just how much you like of the Mexican or whatever, or the curry powder. Okay. Now we wait because it has to swell a bit.
Okay.
5 minutes or so. So let's take a look. We have waited 5 minutes and let's see if it's good. Look. It looks good. It tastes. It can have a bit more Mexican or curry kraut. It's too much of the peanut. So, Papa. So, why is this such a good recipe? Well, if you look at these peanut sauce, it is 200 kilocalories per portion. So it contains a lot of energy and it contains a lot of protein. And that's what you need in the mountains. That also accounts for peanut butter.
So, is it normally that thin?
No, it should be a little bit thicker, but it depends on the rice you take, how much water you need to have. So it's always a bit trial and error, but don't mind, it tastes the same. If it fluid or not fluid, tastes the same. This is always the most difficult part. Get it into your cup without... how do you call that? How do you call that?
What?
When you put something not in the cup. How do you call that?
You really need to eat
Spilling.
something. Spilling. Okay.
Spilling. Look.
Thank you.
So, and how does it taste?
Tastes good. Yeah. Like an Indonesian Mexican recipe. And it's hot. Nice.
So, what about dessert? Dessert. Well, you can drink a cup of tea, but that's not really a dessert. But you can also pick berries next to you, like these.
Yeah,
And
we're
then
sitting in the middle of a huckleberry field.
So then you have your dessert. Where is it?
There's another one.
Ooh.
Here's some more.
Oh, here's.
You're not CookieMonster, you're Berry Monster. So that's our dessert for tonight,
That's
huckleberries.
dessert for the night. Huckleberries.
Okay. Here, there are more there.
Yeah?
Yep.
Oh yeah. So, if you have time enough, you can eat a cup full of huckleberries. Contains a lot of vitamin C. It's good for your health.